Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to quickscope properly in COD Mobile. While quickscoping in Call of Duty Mobile can be a challenging skill to master, but with some practice and adjustments to your settings, you can improve your quickscoping abilities. Well, when it comes to your settings, first, go to your settings, then choose simple mode or turn off the ADS button for rotation, as this can mess up your aiming. When learning how to fire as soon as you scope, manually press the scope button when you scope. Set your shooting mode to hip fire, or better yet, customize it to select which guns you want to use hip fire and ADS for. To fire as soon as you scope, click the scope button, and once the scope is in the middle or reticle appears, click the fire button and scope out. Use the setting as you help for aiming better by placing it in the middle of your screen. Practice scoping in and out in practice mode to enhance your COD playing. Well, the snipers that are recommended using are the LQ, Locust, and Outlaw. And that's how to quickscope properly in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.